Welcome to Choose Gallery. Today we are going to learn about resources. You have heard about resources, but what is a resource? What are its classification? In this class, we are going to learn about resources and its classification. What is a resource? Any object or substance, living or non-living, that has utility is known as a resource. For example, water, metals, etc. Classification of resources. Resources are classified into natural, human-made and human. On the basis of use, it is divided into actual and potential. On the basis of origin, it is divided into biotic and abiotic. On the basis of stock, it is divided into renewable and non-renewable. On the basis of distribution, it is divided into ubiquitous and localized. Let's talk about natural resources. What are natural resources? Resources that are drawn from nature and are used without modification is called natural resources. For example, water, soil. Water, soil, air, trees, coal and metal all go under natural resources. But how are they classified?
Classification of natural resources.
Natural resources are classified into actual and potential, abiotic and biotic, renewable and non-renewable. Biotic and abiotic. Living things are called biotic resources. For example, plants and animals. Non-living things are called abiotic resources. For example, metals and soil. Actual and potential. Resources whose quantity is known and are being used in the present is called actual resource. For example, coal deposits in Germany. Resources whose entire quantity may not be known and are not being used at present is called potential resources. For example, uranium in Ladakh. Renewable and non-renewable. Resources which get renewing or replenished quickly is called renewable resources. For example, solar and wind energy. Those which have a limited stock and it may take thousands of years to replenish is called non-renewable resource. Example, coal. Ladders, boxes, mugs, cell phones, caps, paper and scissors, cans, rugs, baseball mitts, TV. What do they have in common? Yes, they are all made by man. Something that people made from natural resources to make useful products is called human-made resources. Now, let's talk about human resources.
Human resources refers to the number and ability of the people.
Let's talk about resource conservation.
Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. Balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development.
I hope that you enjoyed our topic of resources. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.